Hi guys, it's Char. Welcome back to my channel, Craftin' Up a Storm. Today I'm once again part of the 5 Under 5 challenge. That's 5 projects under $5. And this month's theme is tiered tray decor, either winter or Christmas. So I've got some great ideas for you. I will go into specifics on the hosts of our challenge in my video. All of my supplies were purchased at Dollar Tree, and so they were definitely under $5, and some of them only $1.25. Let's get crafting.
For my first project, I picked up one of these square box signs from Dollar Tree and I popped off the little sign that was in the middle and I took the back off of it. I covered the back with some Christmassy scrapbook paper. I think I picked it up at Hobby Lobby. Any scrapbook paper would do. I glued a couple of the snowflake ornaments together. I believe I glued 2 of them, possibly 3 together, just to make it thicker. And then I decided to stain it with antique wax. I brushed it on and then I rub it with a cloth and kind of rub it in and rub the excess off. I popped a little square craft block on the back and I put it in my frame to pop it up. I did also rub some antique wax afterward. You'll see in the final picture on the frame. To cover the hole at the top of the ornament, I made a little twine bow and popped it on the top. Super easy, super simple, and a really cute little frame for your tiered tray. I found this really cute owl ornament at Dollar Tree. And I love owls, but I figured I could kind of jazz them up just a little bit. I decided to pull the little decorations off. They looked very plasticky. I also wanted him to stand up, so I'm going to glue some blocks to the bottom of him to help him stand up a bit. And then I got this Christmas floral pick from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm going to take it apart and just use pieces of it to decorate him. I already glued him onto the blocks, and now I'm going to use these pine pieces to cover the blocks and add to the bottom. That will both hide the blocks and decorate him a little bit. And then I decided, once I had the blocks all covered with the little pine branches, and I cut them each in half, I decided just to use the large berries to decorate in there, and I just put a little glue on the end of the pick and I poked it in there. And now it's a very simple little cute outfit. The 5 Under 5 challenge is hosted every month by Missy at Crafty Cove DIY and Emily at Farm Charm Chic. This month's guest host is Sharon from Grace's Neighbor Sharon. And you need to check out their channels. These are talented ladies with lots of creative ideas. Watch the entire playlist and you will get a ton of winter and Christmas tiered tray ideas. All right, this project was $1.25. I picked up this cute little glass Christmas tree ornament. It was sitting on the shelf, kind of toward the registers at Dollar Tree. And it's cute and wonderful just as is, but I am kind of going for a woodsy theme. So I'm going to paint it. I painted it with the truffle chalk paint. And now I'm just going to distress to bring those lines out. And I distressed over with some mineral paint. And oh my goodness, talk about easy. This little metal tag ornament at Dollar Tree was so cute and so perfect just as is. I picked it up and I left the little twine hanger on it, and I just glued some blocks to the back to help it stand up on my tray. It's so perfect and just as is, and I love it. For this project, I picked up one of these houses at Dollar Tree. It already came with the gingham checkered material on the back. I just took off the chalkboard. I put antique wax on the roof of the house, and I glued a couple of the small snowflake ornaments together and put antique wax on those. I got this floral clip, and I really liked it, but I decided to kind of take it apart to get it to glue onto the front of this house a little easier. So I clipped all the leaves individually, and now I'm going to just kind of put a dab of glue in the middle and stick the leaves to it and rebuild the flower again. And I just keep adding glue and holding those leaves in place until they kind of stay where I want them to go. And I work from the largest leaves down to the smaller leaves. I don't think I used absolutely all of them. I just filled it in until I was happy with it. And then in the very middle, I added that little snowflake, and that was it for this decoration. Here are all my easy tiered tray decorations. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I so enjoy this challenge. I love bringing you some inexpensive, easy crafting ideas. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, the thumbs up, and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as part of the crafty family. As always, have a great day and keep crafting.